COVID-19 pandemic in the world COVID-19 in the pandemic, the global economy has undergone significant change. The the impact varies by the country. They will have a common friends are one uneven recovery, two Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello listeners,
Welcome to MTSB Podcast Choice. Credible, high quality,
objective,
integrity,
Konstruk Amalia Al-Sunnah.
excellent.
So, first of all, we want to introduce my name. My name is Alfiana Nadira Karaputri,
And my name is Alfia Nikalisa Karaputri,
and we are from 9.6.
0.6.
Okay, so in this MTSB podcast, we want to talk about the international relations, current the global issues, and the impact of for politics. So, first of all, we need to know that international relation is very important for us. So, with international relation, we can get support from the other countries, and the other countries it can make us more become developed country, especially for Indonesia. And then with that, we can get independence and also can maintain the survival of the nations. So besides that, Indonesia has a free active foreign principle policy. That means that Indonesia is committed to have a workplace, freedom, independence, and also the justice. So with that, we can also Indonesia can also maintain about the independence, and then can solve the problem of social culture, legal, politics, and also the security problems. So Alfiani, I want to ask to you, so what do you think about the international relations?
Okay, so mentioning about international relation is same with you. International relations in some country there is many benefit, because if in some country that have a good impact in the country, they can like to cooperation with another country, and in there is a good impact from the bad country, because finish to a cooperation, and there's a best result.
Okay, so you already talked about the definition of international relations. So
Yes.
at this time, there are so many current conflict about in the global issues, such as first is the conflict between Hamas attack on Israel, which is the conflict in various region on 7 October, and then second is the plague of economic in the world due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and last is the increasing serious of natural disaster. So I want to ask to you about how's the world economics due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Okay, so about COVID-19 pandemic in the world COVID-19 in the pandemic, the global economy has undergone significant change. The impact varies by the country. They will have a common friends are one uneven recovery, two the chess world of the world, three the digital world, and the four geopolitical uncertainty. Overall, also from this four about the impact in the global economic after pandemic, COVID-19 is finished make undergone the economic, and there is some recovering the COVID-19 after pandemic, and there is a major liquidity and the low quantity of the price in the some country.
Okay, so that is the COVID-19 pandemic of the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic to the world. So, what do you think about the increasing of serious natural disaster for the world?
Okay, so the state of natural disaster in Indonesia is very many, and we can increasing with we always keep our environment with best, and we can like avoid the bad things in can make happen a natural disaster. In order natural disaster will cannot happen, and Indonesia will avoid from the natural disaster.
Okay, so that's the increasing natural disaster impact for the world. Now I want to explain about the latest global issue. The latest global issue, which is the conflict between Palestine and Israel. So the Palestine and Israel have impact for Indonesia especially. So they can have a disrupt in the various sector, especially in the economic. So with the conflict between Palestine and Israel, they can disrupt our economic, so that's the supply of goods and then the service in Indonesia, and also they can lead to the price and also the inflation that can be happens on Indonesia.
Okay, so I also will explain about the cooperation about Indonesia with another country, and I will choose Malaysia. So Indonesia finished cooperation with Malaysia, and I will choose cooperation with like import the palm coconut from Malaysia. So Indonesia have import palm coconut from Malaysia, and the palm coconut will answer to Indonesia. But there is a bad impact from this because the palm coconut from Indonesia or in the local will now decrease and will always decrease, and there is no the increase, and they can make the palm coconut in Indonesia become very many barriers with Indonesian palm coconut will always be planting in Indonesia, but until now there is no people who always like to planting a palm coconut in Indonesia, and with that will have a bad impact from the price in Indonesia.
Okay, so that's all the podcast from us. So that's all the explaining about the international relation and also the current of global issue and also the impact for Indonesia for the politics. So that's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.